Okay, hi, my name's Jamie, the holistic chef. I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate breakfast of champions. Oats, the chia seeds and almond milk. It's quite deceiving how healthy oats can be. I highly recommend them as being a vital part of your diet. For all you vegans out there who may not be eating meat and so on, chia seeds are a really good source of protein, as are oats, as are almond milk. And one vital step of this porridge is to soak it overnight. So what we do is just take some oats, a few spoons of oats, and a couple of spoons of chia seeds, and let them soak overnight. Chia seeds are they're quite a gelatinous kind of gloopy seed, whereas they need to be soaked to activate them to get a lot of the nutrition out of them and so on. These are a daily part of my diet. I don't consume any animal products, so this is one of my main forms of protein. So let them soak overnight in a little bit of water. I also add a spoon of seeds. Now seeds, we generally don't eat a lot of seeds during the day. It's good to just include them in your diet in the morning and the breakfast and get all the minerals from them, from pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, some flax and sunflower. And then just cook it out nice and slowly with some almond milk, fresh almond milk, which we have the recipe on Cranble here also, which we made earlier. And then I'm going to just add some figs to sweeten it. I don't use any sugar really in my cooking. I like to use natural sweeteners from stuff like bananas and raspberries and figs. So you're getting your sweetness, but you're also getting a lot of nutrition from them. It's a win-win situation. Some banana. Put in some dried berries, some goji berries, some raisins, cherries, some figs, some raspberries, a few more seeds, some banana. There we have it, breakfast of champions. Simple, delicious, nutritious, oat, chia seeds, raspberries, bananas, pumpkin seeds, figs, flavor, nutrition, and delicious. Breakfast of champions. Enjoy this every day and you'll notice the benefits.